because it has more.
What to Abama MPP away Aboa.
Ghana for video ya mubeshei.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana and TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
If you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more.
What to Abama MPP away Aboa.
Ghana for video ya mubeshei. Eya sambisa yedi bisa Captain Smart. Election time no, Captain Smart say, so obi bia obeto aba ama MPP no, saa nipa kro Aboa. Na ene, ono kwa jina say yento aba ma no as MP. Na party na yeto aba ma yen ya, yebeye Ghana card no. Saa Ghana card no, ono, edi ko no krum ho, ya ama amanfo, say, omonhwe so se oye dwuma aboa wo mo nti na omonto abamma no ombedi MP na ne me bisa Ghana for Captain Smart Aboa we Kwasiapanin one MPP 4 a dodo na ye Ghanaian se omonto abama MPP no wan na eye Aboa na yenkohwe Aboa ene His Excellency the former President Nana Addo Daworoma His Excellency Dr. h0w Bawumia Daworoma Ghana card no mo di buy.
Ka say the Ghana card for the member. Nyame adoma no pay. Arante Gideon Ata. Ono na the card. Why and first. No way woman muzano. Ata. Mo card. Okay. Good. Ntibotu makofi. You are more.
Ghana for says someone who nipa oya Aboa Kwasiapanin we jimifo oninyasa someone see Ghana for some way and e ka trem efa journalist bi ho a sabi omudi mo adwene na edi agro na Dr. h0w Bawumia tama o ka say Ghana card ho wonfaso chen interchanges bebre no na we mu ka ho a omo say sa wokoto abama MPP a we Aboa enne abato no okono adan no onfa interchange enko no krum ansa na yeto abama no a odi Ghana card na eko eno
Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact.
Woman West for ka say the Ghana card for the member. Nyame adoma no pay. Arante Gideon Ata. Ono na the card. Why and first. No way woman muzano. Ata. Mo card. Okay. Good. Ntibotu makofi. You are more.
Ghana for says someone who nipa oya Aboa Kwasiapanin we jimifo oninyasa someone see Ghana for some way and e ka trem efa journalist bi ho a sabi omudi mo adwene na edi agro na Dr. h0w Bawumia tama o ka say Ghana card ho wonfaso chen interchanges bebre no na we mu ka ho a omo say sa wokoto abama MPP a we Aboa enne abatoɔ na ɔkɔ no adan no ɔmfa interchange ɛnkɔ no kurom ansa na yɛto abama no a ɔde Ghana card na ɛkɔ ɛno na yɛtwimo adwene ɛde ba MPP so MPP na yɛ party a sabi ɔmodwene Ghana for ho a ɔmowɔ enemo papa ɛde bɛboa yɛman we Ghana a ne ɛbɛkɔ n'anim nti no Ghana for yɛsrɛ mo munya yɛ ho ntiaseɛ na munya abotrema MPP party especially your candidate His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia sɛ Nyame yɛ adom 2028 a monto abama no na munya isa nkwasiafo ne gyimifo yi a modi mo ho to omo so sɛ omo yɛ presenters anasɛ mo yɛ journalists omo nim de omo yɛ omo nim hu omo yɛ gyimifo kwa na mo dɔso omo tino aha yɛ PSPS media ɛna edi sa adwumade we brem me nso a me di sa adwumade ho kyia me medin di Ibrahim Baba Maltiti yɛda mo ase pi
obeti atechem wo suro se obekɔ te bia amanfo wo na yetua wo ka taxpayers money na ye di tua wo ka Ghana fo wa ma yensen si form papa wa ma Ghana fo esi form na I don't blame you me blame Ghana fo na enya adagye ko sell lie eto abasan ma o because wo betena aso for good 12 years wo be ye vice president ma wu jade atamos ewu ye yedisa show nsama wo buye wo wie wo se wo nye president da ema ye vote ma wo ma wo bedi 4 years aye 8 years wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se a wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises enkoko nketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kɔ Burkina kokofu a wo promise wo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo baye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo baye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori na wo si market ne bathroom wo he Efri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians we are very incompetent incompetent President Mahama administration what disappointed Ghana for wo Nyame eyinani efri wo so Nyame nsan ni wo so won kwa wo ba power mun kwa mo party and sitting president ewu mun kwa mo party and sitting vice president ewu mun kwa mo party o mun kwa mo party me se balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komo no esum bi mbada esu bi mbada o
Bibia I say wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
wa ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wo di be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo te stand so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ai ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wo di be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba professor intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Join it down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not done who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bawumia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bawumia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, they are equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money Mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear Koya cried him and now to me who let her be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Iffiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.